My people, if you not the call, let me share and may get to my Igodo youth. May get to them. We need the year. We need to discuss about our future and our destiny and our freedom of Biafra to restore our land.
Venha, Zé, da Nicoé.
My people, na good morning, na good afternoon, na good day. Anywhere you dey, you be Godomi Godo children. Just help me share this broadcast. May it get to our youth. May it get to Oba Bini, that madman wey dey our land. So with the same message, go give all these people, our youth and our Oba Bini, our youth from Godomi Godo land. We dey see wetin dey happen for there now because our stand na Biafra to restore our nation. To restore our land, a place wey we call our home, na we dey fight for. If una see pipo wey be say dem dey come outside, dem dey tell you say na 2023 dem dey fight because e get where we reach. Igbo man cannot be a president in that country. If dem wan be president, make dem pack their baggages, make dem leave our land. That land is Biafra land. Make dem go do am for Imo and Owerri, and we are going to open our terrorists because na terrorists na dey pay pass now. Because we are still going to open our terrorist group now because so that maybe say if na president they wan come do, we we'll still get Boko Haram dey even dey learn sef. Boko Haram dey kill, we no go kill. We will make life miserable with the people that want to be a president in the zoo called Nigeria. We will make life incompleted for them. We will make them know say even their name said they no go dey bear their name again because the only man wey me dey pay my respect to na be Mazuna Dikalo. Any other person is a counterfeit. If we don't know where for come, we don't even know ourselves. It's not recognized. It's only Mazuna Dikalo that came to save our people in the misery we find ourselves today. If you see say people they come outside because this struggle now we don't see and say na two Biafra now it can't dey now not be even one again. Na two Biafra. The one where we dey na Mazuna Dikalo now we dey by Godomi Godo children. All those one where all this one they do for them we don't know the group wey dey because very soon now we dey call our youth for various community make dem go dey ask dem one after the other where they belong to. Did you belong to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? If you don't belong to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you pack your baggages, you go back to Owerri or you go back to Imo, Nigeria for the do presidency. In Igbodomigodo land, there is nothing like presidency, because as we are driving anybody that want to do presidency in Igbodomigodo now, so also we are driving the Oba Abini, and so also we are driving the Ogiso. We don't know Ogiso. We don't know what they fight for. Those people, they are not welcome in our land. That's why they beg all of una. Mona help me share this video. May get to Ogiso, may get to whatever they call the Oba Abini. May they go, they ask themselves what they fight for. We don't know them, because we are going to make sure all these people, their generation, we don't find them again. We are going to deal with all these people well. For so-called the people wey be say our Igbo Biafra, the Sonsak na presidency, Sonsak na Biafra, because we come dey ask question now for our various community. Who are you belong to? Because if you not belong to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that place you not welcome and you not supposed to be there. You take wrong movement that time. The terrorist organization want to open. We will legalize them. All our youth will be carrying ammunition everywhere, because we have to be defending ourselves. We need to defend our Igbodomigodo land, and there is nothing anybody can do about it. Because even me now, I'm ready to go home. I'm ready to go home to carry my bag, not the luggage, carry small bag. I just kind of put for my leg. I don't enter my land. Me everybody just form a terrorist group, because I be like saying that I'm like they bring money pass well. Because there is nothing that will make Igbo man that will be a president in the zoo. It's not welcome, and we not accept her. We cannot accept Igbo man to be a president in the zoo, because the zoo is gone. We don't want anybody to be a president in the zoo. It's a zoo. It's an animal kingdom. We don't want it. We don't need him. That country is not for us. It's for the people that belong to that country, like the Yoruba people. They are the ones that have those various countries. We don't belong to Nigeria anymore. We are out of Nigeria. Since I started struggle, I'm out of Nigeria. Igbodomigodo land is Biafra land, and we are going to defend our land with anything at all. If you be our people, you are Yoruba, you dey our land, you want to go do presidency, go Ogun State, you go there. Boko Haram dey kill, we no kill you now. We will make life miserable for una. Una no get where una go stay safe, because we not dey talk am for man make dey sweet. We dey talk am as we dey talk am, we dey carry am out, because by the time because we not be Nigeria right from the one. We will be Igbodomigodo children. We are not Nigeria right from the one. They just bring us together. As Mazi Nnamdi Kanu come save us now. Our Igbo association group for Igbo Biafra, they say no, not be good thing they do. It's not supposed to come save us. It's supposed to leave us more damn miserable. It's supposed to leave us more. They may our generation wipe away. So we dey tell our youth now, say the things where they go on now, say na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na we dey see, na be man wey be say recognize us, say we dey exist for this planet Earth. Apart from the rest Igbo people, I don't care. I don't know where these people are from. The only people wey me know, only person wey I know, na be Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wey dey speak behalf of me, wey dey speak behalf of my people wey dey home. He dey speak behalf of my village wey be say life no even dey, wey be say we dey live together for many years. Now e don bring us together. The Igbo people, they say no, it's not good, it's not welcome, it's not good development. What is good development is for them to join the zoo, for them to be a presidency. That's why we are telling our youth, anybody that make sure a presidency in Igbodomigodo land, that person has to be kicked out. He should pack his baggages. We don't sell land in our land. Thank God we don't even sell land to anybody. We just give you to stay there temporary. That temporary, we have to be telling you one after the other. Where are you from? Are you from Agbo, or you from anywhere you from come? Or are you from Niger Delta? Anywhere you pass come, you pack your baggages, you go back to that place, go and join the zoo. You people should do presidency. That land is Biafra now. We are going to be defending that land. Even though say na cutlass, we take defend that anything at all. Then we take defend that land, because we don't use that land to play with anybody. If you know say you don't belong to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, just dey prepare. Maybe you pack your baggages. Maybe you just dey go, because if the time start, we'll dey ask question. By the time we dey ask question, where did you belong? We must surely find out where you dey. Who if na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wey come save us? Now you dey fight for, or you dey fight for those all those criminals wey be say they wan be presidency. We will know that time. We'll know the way we'll take handle your case, because this generation of Igbodomigodo, we don't joke with anybody. We no go take any life. We no go live any life from our youth. Make the day astray for this generation. Because we are one people, we are the Igbo people, we are one people, but some side of Igbo people, now they say they need presidency, they want to be a presidency. You can see whatever that person is saying there, he's just campaigning for presidency. We don't know that man, we don't know where he came from. He's not welcome in our land. Anybody that you see is campaigning for presidency, even if Oba Abini cannot campaign for anything, because we are going to make life miserable for him. Because as we come, so we don't arrive. Because that's why we beg the Yoruba people, the help, you will help Oba Abini. You people have to go to India to tell India to help him, because those things he brought to our land is not helping him again, cannot help him again. We are trying to save the people that he put in mental slavery. So we don't remove ourselves for the mental slavery. Our leader don't free our mind. Say we will not be slave again. We're not supposed to be slave for our land again. Now be the lecture where our leader teach us. So the Igbo Biafra, they say now we go there inside. Say now another, they need 2023. That 2023, we are here for you people to make sure that 2023, more than they gather that 2023. As they gather now, we go dey watch now. Not be our land now for do the election. They will carry ballot box come there now. They will bring and come do 2023. Because I believe say that 2023, many of them don't reach that 2023 because if you know say you not there among, you remove yourself because there is good Igbo people, there is good one, there is bad one, and the bad one I made the talk to so. The one way need 2023, the one way need 2023, you need to prepare say one day these people will drive out for this place because na so it will be that time. We not the joke. One day we will drive you come up for that land because as Igbo man they suffer for Europe, na so we see they suffer, and they suffer for the zoo, na so we see they suffer. Since we can't see person wey come save us, come rescue us for the suffer now. We not go joke with them. We cannot joke with them. We not go joke with anybody. Nobody. They never even born the person well. They never born the person well. And as me even there, so nobody even get right for my life as a day. So even God self. Now only God that they look upon to, and they look onto. The rest people, they don't know where they for come. My respect is only going to one man, Mazuna Di Carlo. He's not go to even where me for come. My respect not go to them. Not even go to Igbo people self. No, I don't have respect for any tribe. I don't have respect for any tribe. Any tribe, I don't have respect for you. Don't be annoyed because why I don't have respect for you people? Because many people are campaigning. I don't know who is who again. I don't know my enemy. Me, I don't know my enemy because my enemy full everywhere. The Biafra struggle now two parts now. APC day, PDP day. They just full everywhere. They campaign for 2023. So we now have to tell our youth, you have to be atana, and we will call now ground. Anybody will tell you say na 2023, they want use 2023 to take maneuver. Enough maneuver for our land. May go this thing. The various places. May go Owerri, may go do that thing, or Igbo, may go that place, may go do 2023 there. In our land, nothing like 2023 they exist there. Nothing like that they happen. They exist. Even Obaseki itself, not be our governor again. We not recognize as our governor. Now only the zoo recognize that because the zoo is a terrorist. Because we are not a terrorist. We are Biafra. Because they don't kill us rich. They don't kill our people rich. They don't kill our Igbo Biafra rich. Because we know if see bad things they happen, will they keep quiet. We know also say that they kill our Igbo Biafra. We can't shut up. We can't say they are doing it well. They are not doing it well. We need to tell them. Now you might be the die. Now mama born them. They don't forever come down. Because who die today don't wake up tomorrow. Because when they tell the Igbo Biafra, all those president, the people they fight for president, if the time reach, all those people will die. So we will use the lay cost on anybody where they plan agenda. Where we say want to maneuver for this struggle in the plan agenda. We will use those people where die. We will use that to swear for now. And we will tell our women to naked and swear for all of you people. By the time we through with you people, me and saying this thing for ethnic group, the Obo, Ishabo, everybody. All of them, by the time we give lay cost on Una, that time now, because we call the Una pack Una things come up for our land, because not be there, Una not come for there. We don't know where Una for come. Una not there among of us. Una just can't maneuver because this Biafra struggle, not be struggle where individuals say they want use that maneuver because they don't collect your position for your hand. You won't call the talk for empty ground for that place. We don't know you. We are not recognized in our land. Anybody where they practice that thing, where we say it's what they give them around. Say yes, na the guy na Igbo, the guy the Biafra struggle. So more maneuver, more do one kind so that will come put people ahead. come take go president 2023. You no go even see that 2023 because before that 2023 our terrorist organization we don legalize am. We go see even tell the European Union our terrorist organization we no use am take kill anybody. Na anybody that say want to vote for 2023, that person we will drive am, we will tell am make pack e load, make go back to where e for come, because even the one wey Tinubu do say he wan throw Igbo people for lagoon, our own no be lagoon. We no want make dem go lagoon, we want make dem go where dem for come. If dem reach there dem go learn because dem be our brother, we no fit kill dem. Dem go learn. If dem don learn finish, if dem don learn finish, dem fit still come back na their home, na their land. They are welcome any day anytime na their land. We no dey kill person, we no dey threaten person say we wan kill am. We cannot kill our Igbo Biafra, but wetin only thing wey we tell dem, wetin dem dey practice 2023, they have to pack their load, make dem go Owerri, Imo, all those various places. Those people they are there like Ekoze, Kpazu, all those people that make sure 2023 they are among of that place. Our land is not there because our terrorist organization are to dey fish out those people that practice 2023. International community, you have to be taking note because the terrorists now in the zoo, they use it to make money, but our own not be money. We want to know our people, make our people for the girls small, make them know where they for come, because this generation of Igodomigodo, we are not going to support any terrorism. We are not going to kill any our Igbo Biafra. No, there is nothing anybody can say about it. We say, okay, it's like Igbo Biafra, maybe they are the one that love Igbo Biafra past. No, nobody don't love Igbo people. Everybody love Igbo people, but we are going to protect them. But the only advice we are giving them, if you have a brother that be parading himself as he is doing the Biafra, we don't know the kind of Biafra he's doing, call it to order, because when the time reach, he may put your people in danger in our land, because that land is Biafra land. We can even tell you that time it's not an Igbo man, it's not from that place, maybe it's from the Niger side, because we deny people very fast. I cannot lie for you. We deny people very fast. We can even tell you are a Gambia man, you don't look like us, because the way we see you now, you are not one of us. We don't need to do DNA, because your behavior will tell us that you are from Gambia or you are from Senegal. It's those various or Niger Republic or Agadez, those places you are from, because those people behave like that. So we need to tell our youth, because the stand where we do now, we stand for Mazu Nadikalu, now be the stand where we do. Now be the person where we say we dey see light for our body. Now be person where we say they say the zoo they go gaga now. The zoo no, they not get front, they not get back again. All of them don't frustrate. The old governor, all of them, they are frustrated. They don't know what to do anymore. That's why we tell our youth now. You have to be waking up, because be vigilant. Because we don't need anybody individual there that will take us on that way. Nobody will take us on that way. They never even born the person where we are going to be telling our youth be vigilant, because the cause we are fighting is a Biafra cause. It's not a presidency. We don't know presidency. There is no president in the zoo for the first time. The zoo is not existing anymore. Any individual person that parades himself as an Igbo man is doing presidency. We don't know him. We don't know where. Even if he recruit many people, he can recruit the way he like. He want to recruit. If our leader change today, we will change the way he change. If he change for this struggle, we the Igodomigodo children, we are still going to change, because we are not joking with our life. We cannot joke with anybody, because he don't wake us up. He don't let us know say that they kill us for many years ago. Not be today that they kill us. Even to the extent they say they want to kill our Igbo Biafra for the struggle again. We know allow that one. Where we say the struggle, where we say many souls don't go down. One person, one rat for that place. He will they talk say then na 2023 na won't come save am. 2023 not day. If Yoruba people they want to 2023 or your day, may they go vote for Obasanjo. Obasanjo wants to come back again. May they vote for am. May help them fight the 2023. But for our land, we are going to form our terrorist organization. I don't call say na movement. Terrorist organization, so that the zoo will they understand na terrorist, because wetin the zoo they respect na terrorist, because the way Boko Haram they keep people now every blessed day. They don't they call am repentant. Now they repent. People will repent now. Now be good people for the zoo. That's why we not the part of the zoo. We are not one of them. We don't know where these people are from. We are not living in the same land, even in the same space self. These people they kill human being, even the culture self and the tradition. They even see they bring that to our Igbo Biafra to be betraying their people all over the place. Be telling people to go this place, go and kill him. You don't know who is who. maybe it will be the one that will be shouting, hey, Biafra, 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 Biafra. That one will be one that will sabotage the movement. We don't know is who now, because at the start now, it's only Mazi Kalu. We even know that we know, we see, we trust. But if it's still change, we are going to see change. Follow him. We don't joke with anybody for this generation. So we don't have leader. No leader. Nothing like leader. Not the only leader who they respect. Not the Mazuna the Kalu. Nothing like leader. Nothing like coordinator. Anybody who want to coordinator may pack a family, may carry them go parlor, may buy mushroom for them, fata, coke and fata, may tell them say he want to control them, he want to do command and control in our space, in our land. We don't pray those things. Anybody that do those control, command and control is a terrorist person. It's not acceptable in our land. It's a terrorist organization. We have to be telling our people now, because any man, any woman that come outside that is telling you what he's doing is a command and control, because we cannot leave the zoo. We will go and enter another zoo. We don't want it in this our generation. We not will leave zoo. We'll go enter the zoo, because the zoo is a command and control. They control the zoo. Is one individual controlling the zoo. We want everybody's voice to be hearing. If you are there, if you dey inside hole, your voice go hear. That be wetin Biafra dey fight for. Justice, make justice dey reign. Don't be certain individual they will come go ajaka. They use our leader name, say is na so they take do am. No. He not tell us like that, because if he tell us like that for the first time, people like us no go dey the struggle. People like us for dey one place, they relax, they watch wetin dey happen for that place. Because as e don wake us up now, we need to tell our people we don dey the movement. We no go fit go back, because they don wake us up, and we must restore our nation Biafra. Whether even you na dead or alive, because we are already dead before. Because as we dead now, we don't even sense whether they do anything for the children. Because we are ready to go home. Because me dey here now, me ready to go home, carry my youth from my terrorist organization, give them what they need. We used to defend our land, because now everybody want to defend the land, because the Fulani they kill their people now. Boko Haram for everywhere. They not the defender. That's why they kill them. So that more those things not gonna go come our land, because the 2023 where these people they fight now, they fit go form terrorist organization in our land again. They say they want use take from 2013, because it not guarantee these people not go fit do, because we not joke with anybody. Since they feel they betray their brother, they feel they betray our leader, man, so now the Kalu, they can do anything, because we need anywhere they for come outside. We need to tell our people, don't be afraid. We are there for you people. Don't be afraid of anybody. Nobody can take your life. The way the person get life, and so you get life. The only person where you pay your respect to. The only Masuna the Kano. Anybody where be say he did there, the shout for this thing there. He shout for Biafra for one this thing for there. Where that man where they shout this thing for them. We don't know. He not even resemble ourselves. We don't know where for come, because if you look those people, many of them resemble Gambia, Senegal. We don't resemble us. We don't look alike one day. Because the zoo, they just bring us together. Mona join together, because we are believing together before. They just bring some group of people like the Yoruba people. The way they maneuver the Yoruba people. Because the Yoruba people, I need to tell you this thing. If you say now this maneuver, now I want to put for our means, for this Biafra struggle, we will make sure say we deal with you now. We will make sure say una name, una not that language, una not will speak like by me again. No, una go just forget that language. Una go to speak along that language, because we not go joke with una. That lie, we not go joke with una. As we take the fight una physical, spiritual, we dey fight una. The only thing we will help una na idiom, una go idiom, because we don't prepare for una. Anywhere una for come, we are there. If una want malova, if una want go malova, any malova we una want do. No, anywhere una take pass come. Like grab 100 people, say una want do presidency, not be our land, not be Godomi land. No, we not work for there. Mona take that presidency, una take and go another place, because very soon now we'll go to ask the question, who are you with? Who did you stand with? If you stand with Mazuna the Kalo, okay, you can manage you, but if you later change, we'll throw you out. We not will put you for lagoon. No, we'll carry you, tell you may you go where you for come. If na Niger Delta you for come, or you come for Upper River down, go back to your land, go and join them there. They are doing presidency in that place. In our land, it's not presidency. That land is Biafra land, because we are going to create our own country. We will call that country Biafra land. Because everybody need to create your own country now, because Biafra don't plenty for everywhere now. People wey dey fight Biafra now, they don plenty for everywhere. We don't know who be who again. The only person wey we know na be Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Na his stand now we still dey. Na his stand now we still dey. Now with the word wey he teach us, now we see they follow, now we see they obey, see they tell our people now say wetin Mazi Nnamdi Kanu teach us. He teach us good thing. As we take live, as we take live before as one people. Tell us differently the way we take the way our mother take the dress. He tell us all those things, but we not call. He not tell us say na presidency o. He not tell us that one. He not tell us all those kind of things. He not teach us those kind of things. If individual Igbo people now say na president they wan go dey fight. If you be Igbo person, your brother dey our land there. Tell am make something dey prepare. If na those various people na him wan join do presidency. May pack it back because we are coming for them. We are our land. We not dey sell land. We fit your rent am for you, build that there. If you want tell you, may you go, you go. We not dey joke with anybody. Only best way we welcome for our land that time. Na only Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now we have to welcome. If you welcome 100%. If you individual Igbo people, we don't know because with this generation we don't joke with anybody. We cannot joke with our youth. And we cannot joke with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in this generation. We cannot joke with him because they first do this thing before. They'll say he's the Godomigodo people that keep Biafra during the war. That's why we dey tell you now. Not be even the Godomigodo. Only person who will defend this time and only Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, not be the rest Igbo people because Igbo people they don't dey betray her now. They don't dey betray her now, so they say her now. So we need to dey tell our youth now see the stand where we dey. Now Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now welcome for our Godomigodo land. The rest people we are going to be kicking you people out because that land is Biafra land. Go to Owerri, go Imo State, go and do that thing there. We don't want it in our land. Even though say they give you money, go and eat the money there. We don't need all those. We don't even need the zoo self. We don't need the zoo to survive in our land because we even without the zoo we have been living good before. Without the zoo, without Nigeria, we have been living good. We don't get company. We are living fine. We see come up for our land, come do migrant, reach another man country. The way Igbo man be immigrant for all Europe. Now so we see they be all immigrant for all Europe. Nobody, now the way they tell they treat them for all Europe country. Now so they see they treat us. We come for Godomigodo children. If you want to go see people where they treat good, now the Yoruba people, you come see Yoruba man come meet you for prison. When they speak Egbami, this one is not being you, this one give am sentence well. Now those people who will define and make the wrong come on. They'll see the Yoruba they suffer us for Western world, they suffer us for our land. That's why we need our land. Wetin make us need our land, we need our land so that we don't get anything what they do with the Yoruba people. We don't want anything what they do with the Yoruba people. Nothing we concern Yoruba for this our generation. Anything we concern the Yoruba, it will be abolished. We will banish her. Like Oba Bini, we are going to abolish her. We are going to drive Oba Bini. Rather useless, only one will be packing his load. Those things that he brought to our land, he will be taking it one after the other, take it to where it came from. Because we are going to make sure we deal with him. We don't know him. He's not welcome in our land. Because he's the one that killed the Igbo Biafra. That's why individual people they will be using bad eye to be looking us that these people are doing. That's why we are saying only person we will defend now is only Mazi Nnamdi Kanu because you people don't trust us. Only person we trust now is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu we trust because you people are looking for presidency. You want to use Biafra struggle to maneuver to presidency. We don't want that. Our stand is Biafra. Biafra or death. And that this Biafra or death so not be only for math. Biafra or death we are going to our youth. The one that are prepared to go home on that time, we are ready to go our various village community, be asking where are you belong, where did you belong? Because if the thing don't come too much, we feel when they tell say not only Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now will come in that time self. We feel when they tell the Igbo people say we don't want to now because the one that betrayed Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now physically betrayed or the blood don't deal on our body the way Yoruba people they do because everybody need freedom. We need freedom. Now we even need the freedom pass Igbo man self. We need the freedom pass them. They don't need the freedom pass us because now we solve our pass for the so-called zoo called Nigeria. Now we dey solve our pass. Now we dey do all manner of things. You see say they come outside and I will say not be recently now. Therefore they come outside for social media. Believe people that they do prostitution. They don't they talk come again now. That's why we need the freedom pass now because anybody wey come outside e just come make men forget say we dey Europe we go still find you for Europe here patapata we go take law into our hand we go just take law into our hand anything wey wan happen May Oyibo man, may they watch us, may they happen for here, because we not joke with any of our people again. Because all those bad names, wey be say they don't give us, e don too much. So person don come to rescue us for the bad name. Individual dey there, they plan for 2023. That bad name that we dey remove am for ourselves, then they say no. So we are going to make sure we go. If e be say now they don't want remove they don't want to remove the bad name, we will got to transfer that bad name give them, because we can't give them name say they be betrayer, say they betray our leader, because na Biafra that we need. We don't need presidency, we don't need governor, we don't need anybody. Now only Biafra or death. And this Biafra or death, when we start this Biafra or death, we will not start it that we will say is white. Anybody, if you are from Niger Delta, we are going to be fighting anybody you see, you just catch up for you dey fight am, because we not joke with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for this generation. So because when they say Biafra out there, because if the time don't reach, many people dey wey be say they will follow that presidency, they wan use am take maneuver. We no need maneuver. We want make everywhere your end, make everybody go papa land, everybody bear your papa name, bear your papa name, bear your mama name. Don't let anybody control your life for this generation. So for this generation of Igodomigodo, only man we pay our respect to is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Anybody wey dey tell you say na dem dey do command and control, say you wan control your life, that person is a mad person. His head is not correct, because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not controlling our life. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu never come outside of brokers that is controlling our life. No. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu never come outside one day tell us yeah, you should go and do this one. He never say it once. What he teach us is with us. He tell us that we are suffering. We are suffering. They want to kill us. They want to take our land. They want to Islamize us. They want to give us what they wear jalabia, wear buzu up and down. It teach us so many things. That's why the zoo is running scatter. The big men that live in the zoo, they don't care whether they wear buzu. But you where people say you don't get money, the common man, you don't even see money to buy the buzu, those jalabia, you don't see money to buy am. And heat will kill you if you wear that buzu. Now big man, you go dey inside AC. You go dey inside AC. He go dey. We fit wear that this thing, that jalabia, like the way Oba Benin dey wear am now. That this thing now, that skirt and black way Oba Benin dey wear there, that alaye wey dey there. AC dey that place wey he dey. AC dey there. That alaye wey dey our land there wey dey graveyard. AC dey there. That's why I say they wear jalabia, they wear buzu, because that man we not dey practice that tradition. All those people wey dey wear skirts, those people wey dey wear skirt, wey dey wear till wear all those big cloth, they wear skirt reach down. They are not from our land. They are not welcome. Heat will want kill them. They'll see wear those people for body, because they get AC for their car, they get AC for their parlor. But you will become up, you not get AC. You just die for nothing sake. If you not wear that, they'll kill you, because those people they stone person to death. So now those things that we don't want for our land. That's why we need Biafra. We must restore our nation Biafra. There is nothing anybody can do about it. If you are talking about presidency, you are an Igbo man, you live in Igodomigodo now, be prepared, because we cannot joke with you. Be prepared to pack your load, pack your baggages, pack your load, go and stay Owerri, Imo State. Those people, they are doing various things there. They are doing this thing, that place. The only thing that we know is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The way you people hate Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the way we love him. We love him more than you people. We will protect him, because you people betrayed Ojukwu during the war. Now you people come now, you want to tell us that you want to use 2023 to maneuver. We don't want that. Nobody will go to anybody that come outside. We are watching, we are seeing everything. Anywhere you want to maneuver and pass, just be prepared that we will be telling our people, if where you pass, we will tell them this is how these people is. And by the time we through with you people, your name, if anybody see you, he will run. He will run. That person, he will run. You will not even bear your name anymore. You will not bear your name. Your name will not be here to be found. Your name is not here to be found, because we don't need all those kind of people in our land. We don't want this kind of people in our land. They are not welcome in our land, and they can never be welcome any day, anytime. We don't need them in our land. And my people from Igodomigodo youth, you people have to be very vigilant, because all these people, nobody can play us trick in this generation. No, nobody can use nobody. You can bribe anybody. You will bribe person. You can't say you want use us to maneuver. Where we say not be waiting our leader teach us be that one. No, because the stand where we dey with the Igodomigodo children, with the stand na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, any Igbo man that parade himself that want to maneuver for 2000. We are going to make sure when we deal with him finish, he will not bear a name Igbo. He will say they should not call him Igbo again. They should find another name to give him. Because we not joke, we not the joke. Don't think we are just chatting here. Because by the time the thing start, even the tribalism itself, we will be more, we will increase it, we will give that tribal war name. There is a name, the way we will paint that tribal war, we will paint it that it will suit, it will make our people they comfortable when anything they are doing. When they call the name, they will understand it is set of people. It is set of people because the only person we see is Mazuna Dikalo. Anybody that parade itself that he's fighting for 2023. He's a Biafra. That's what Biafra want to call because individual people don't come outside well. They don't shout. At the end of the day, we don't even know those people. Those individuals, they won't get agenda when they shout. The only man where don't shout, where yet our brain. The thing they flow for our place, our veins, now be Mazuna Dikalo. The thing they make me the one they create, that's why I mean now, as a day here, so I don't get leader. The only leader I pay my respect to now be Mazuna Dikalo. Anybody will say be leader, or if they do maneuver, or he get who they control, ask me there here, so no bastard they control me here na lie. Only person who will control me now be Mazuna Dikalo. The rest of that person we not know where for come. It's not from our land. We have to make sure say we deal with them mercilessly. As we deal with the Yoruba people, now so we will deal with the Igbo people because if they don't want change, we are going to deal with them. We don't joke with them. Because they must change by force and we will make them change because we be one people. We are going to teach them lesson. Well, we are not going to kill any of them. We will teach them lesson because they are our brother. Because if you don't teach your brother lesson, he will not learn next time. Maybe they will be thinking they are looking for 2023. No, we are not looking for 2023. What we are looking for is Biafra. If you just fuck up, we bring you out here. We don't joke with anybody. If you just fuck up, we don't hide anything, that we don't have any skeleton in our cupboard that we want to hide, that you cannot see our hands open outside. No. If we open, by the time he open outside, our people will be thinking, there will be reason, they will think well, because the way our leader put sense for our head, now so the sense they go gaga for our brain, so that our people need to see, may they open, may they see everything, we know the people who will be say, won't know the side will be follow, we can't know the side will be say, love us, the side will not like us. We can't know because the Biafra struggle now two group e be now. The other one they fight for 2023. Mazuna Dikalo they fight for us, not the rest people they fight. Now only one they fight for us. Now only one no say freedom. Now be everything. Freedom. Now will make us be one. Now only freedom. May I tell you Biafra 2023. If individual they say 2023, that 2023 it can never make us be one. And we will give you another name. I'm telling you. Now only Mazuna Dikalo no go bear that name. Oh. He not go bear that name at all. He not go write his name. He get where we go write his name. His name will separate from that this thing from una name. Will separate his name because you people want to spoil that man name. You people want to make sure that man that man what he's doing is not right thing. But we are telling you people now what Mazuna Dikalo is doing is the right thing that man is doing. Every day and night he is doing the right thing for the less privileged. If you dey there, you be individual Igboma, you are doing yourself and you are putting your people that don't do anything, you are putting them in danger because you people have been doing this thing. When they kill someone in Igbo land, you will be shouting, Mazuna Dikalo is the one that killed him. Mazuna Dikalo has not killed anybody. Mazuna Dikalo has not committed any crime. It is you people that be betraying him. You people are betraying him. Go to this place, go and kill this social person. Mazuna Dikalo is not there. Only he don't see anything. But you people are betraying him. We are going to be telling you people whether you like it, whether you don't like it. For here, you cannot see anything. You cannot call this place. You'll be happy if you are an Igbo man, if you are an Igodomi man, if anywhere you come for Biafra land, you cannot come here and make you dey happy. Only person that you will be happy here now is only Mazuna Dikalo. We want that man to be happy, to be you don't try for us. May not come broadcast again. My leader, don't broadcast again. Just write it. Twitter is okay. Twitter is okay. Don't broadcast for these people again. We don't want it again. Don't broadcast. Just let us to be doing it like that because I believe that is this way that our people will understand what we are doing. Don't broadcast to anybody. Don't let anybody to tell you to. The broadcast, you overdo the broadcast, my leader. You overdo it. It's too much. It's too much because it's too much of the brokers that you see many mister be saying that where are you now? Don't mind them. They don't know what they are doing. We don't know these people. They are not welcome in our now. They cannot welcome in our now. We don't know this set of people. We don't know where they came from, because we are going to be telling the Igbo people only person we will defend on that day is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Don't think we are joking. We don't need it in our land, and it can never be welcome if they plant individual people for our land. May they call it do 2023 for our land. They're not welcome for our land. We will go the fish they come answer, because our people are my people. I need to tell you now, this 2023 where these people they plan, where this group of Igbo people they plan, now to kill our people. Now that they plan it, not be say they want use a term Malova, is to kill our people, because the zoo get terrorist organization for that place. They kill their people. After they don't be that terrorist now, they come form another one self. Even the Igbo people go form their own terrorists, not be Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They will form their own. That's why we want people to go back to your land. We will know who is who. Go back to your land. Yoruba, go to Duduwa. We will be Biafra. We go to our land. We defend our land the way it is. That's what it just be. So we don't want anybody who will tell us say na 2023 he won't come tomorrow. That's why he will help us. Nothing will help us. We don't need anybody help. We don't need anybody help in this generation. We don't want anybody to help us. We don't want anybody to help us. We don't need any individual who want to maneuver. You want to maneuver, can't they deceive our youth? Can't they tell us say 2023 then will save us? One use a theater Biafra. It is a lie. We don't want that. Total freedom. The way we are before, the way the Oyibo people meet us say we did before. Now there we they go back. Now there we take now this freedom that will take correct our mistake. We not go fit use 2023 take correct our mistake. Oh. We not fit use this. We will not fit use 2023 election take correct. Make our culture and our heritage. They okay, no, it not go work. It not go work, because 2023 Fulani will be coming to your land and rape your mother again, because they are the one. Those people you see, those individual Igbo people that you see that say they want to do 2023, they will give them something to drink. Even the soldier that want to guide him, it will be the Fulani soldier will guide him, or Yoruba. If he don't make anything, they will kill him. The whole zoo now is Fulani, and the Yoruba that have the military, the soldier. That is their plan, because that's why they want to put Malova. But the Igbo people don't even know the danger they want to put. Those ones that are planning, it's not our leader. Those ones that are planning 2023. Those very Igbo people that have been following 2023, I'm telling you today, you are putting your people in the danger, in a situation whereby maybe by the time we choose with you people, maybe you people will not bear that name anymore, because we don't need that kind of thing in Igodomi now. It's not welcome. There's nothing like 2023. 2023 is not existing, and it cannot exist in this generation. We don't want it. It's not welcome. There is nothing anybody can do about it. We don't want it. Take 2023, take it to Yoruba now, take it to Imo State, Owerri. All those group of people, they are there. They are doing all those things there. We don't want it. Take it to there. We will not be Nigeria again. More than the Gata now. We will not be Nigeria, and we can never be in Nigeria. Nothing anybody can do about it. If you want to go do 20, even Obaseki said, Obaseki, we are going to kill him, not be our governor, not be say the joke they talk, and we are going to kill him. International community, take notice. He's a governor. He don't kill many people. Many people don't die for this tenor. Many people don't die for this Obaseki tenor. So we will not go joke with them. We don't go joke with anybody. We will not be our brother. We not welcome her. We not vote for her. Our vote, we don't return her back. We don't need that. So if they plan 2023, that they bring those various Igbo politicians, where we say they don't put their bosses for Aso Rock, they don't put the same, they call the Malova, maybe they use this our Biafra struggle, take Malova. We are going to now street. We'll go to cash now. We'll fight ourselves for streets. Forget say we both become more than they take notice. So many people they craze. So many people don't craze for this Euro. Many people say, many people na my person now they take chop adoro my person. We both they look you like say now you find trouble. That you just find a trouble now my person, because I know you carry wake up one day say I want to come outside for live video, because who know me only say me I don't feel crazy before, because I not a joke with anybody. I feel just see you for road now. I ask you who are you? Are you an Igbo man? Are you with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Because I know the joke, because I have cast one Igbo man. He tell me he's a mason. I cast that guy, he's a mason. I know what I done to him, because I'm going to deal with them one after the other. Because we cannot joke with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We cannot joke with anybody, because Any Igbo man that are planning 2023, retrieve your step, oh, because that Igodomigodo land is Biafra land. We are living together. Don't put your people in danger in a situation whereby they will take them as a slave in their land. This is what you people want to do now, because they take them as a slave in their land because you people are Nigeria. You people accept Nigeria. You people want to be a Nigeria. You people betrayed Ojukwu. You betrayed Ojukwu. Ojukwu want to bring us together. You said no, let's just maneuver, do sharp so that we have whatever we want to have. We don't want that. We don't need it. We don't need that kind of thing. If you know you are living in Godomigodo land, you are an Igbo man, you are doing buying and selling. No. When we restore our land, you will be producing that buying and selling, and we know what you people can do. You can even teach us all those things. That's what we need to know. That's why we tell you now. As we will take fight to now, because we don't joke with you now. We will fight to now. Mona not talk of 2023. That man where they parade said 2023. Mona just call and may enter house. They may go find one like bouquet work they do. It's not welcome. Not be Igbo. That man is not Biafra. Not the Biafra, not the fight for Biafra. He's not fighting for the affair of our people. He don't recognize us. We the Godomigodo children, that man not recognize us, and we not recognize him. We don't recognize the individual people, the individual Igbo people that be parading themselves is 2023, or maybe they don't recruit so many people now. Even recruit everybody. We are here to be telling our people, because by the time we choose with you people, you will not even the way we will deal with Yoruba people, because it's on the street. We are going to make sure we give you name that name, it will be stigma. Our people will not forget that name anywhere. It's only this Biafra that our leaders are open our eye, that change the narrative, that say no, we are one people. Because of you people we are suffering. Because of the Igbo people we are suffering. Our leader come out to remove us for the suffering. Igbo people say no. They want to have another agenda. They have two Biafra now. They want to create another Biafra, to make another Biafra so that we come. Because the Biafra is now many everywhere. We don't know is who. Only person we know is Mazuna Nikalo. And we are going to defend him. It's only if we are doing anything, it's only when we can defend. When that time reach, we don't know. Because the way all those the Pazudo people, those people that do various things, say they are fighting for 2023. The way we deal with those people is the way we will deal with you, the individual people. If you don't know, the best thing to be telling them, retrieve your step, because we know we'll take anybody. We know we'll just take. Now so it just be only person will separate. Now be Mazuna the Kalo finish. Mazuna the Kalo now will separate, because for the first time it's the Igbo people that make Ojukwu not to last. It's not even suffering that make it die. It's the Igbo people that make Ojukwu don't last, because you people fight against that man, use our people to fight against that man, tell you that is this one. We will tell you people, yeah, we don't tell you. You are the forefront. The Igbo people, we know that you are the forefront. You are the people that start this freedom. We are going to pay our support to you. If you wrong, we are going to bring it out so that you can correct yourself. We cannot take, well, I don't call you on phone. I don't have command and control. No, it's not there. The only person that will give me command is Mazuna the Kalo. Finish. Another person is just talking there. He don't know what he's saying. No, I don't even have coordinator. No. For me now, I don't have coordinator. The only coordinator I can just go meeting, do my part, contribute my part, finish. My coordinator is this place I face, so that they coordinate my people, they tell my people, my people, this place you are welcome. You are welcome here. Don't let anybody control your life. You are welcome here. Nobody, only person where you give you respect. That be Mazuna the Kalo. No, we don't know is who. Everybody is a suspect. Everybody, all Igbo man is a suspect in my eye. Only person that is not a suspect that God brought to us is Mazuna the Kalo. Is the one that God bring to us to let people know that that land is Biafra land. Any Igbo man that shouting this one, no, it's not. It's not trusted. We don't, because one happened, one betrayed him, second one betrayed him. No, we don't want. If any of them that betrayed Mazuna the Kalo, the first thing that we do, they will come outside on social media. They think they are joking with us. We cannot joke. If we come outside, it's another Biafra. They want to fight again. They want to make that one to be gold and silver. The one Mazuna the Kalo teach us say even pass gold and silver. He pass everything you can think about in this world. He pass everything, because the way he wake us up, not be say he just wake us up, but just day he broadcast, more they listen. or if we listen finish, we can't go enter inside house, we can't go to sleep. No. The way it wake us up, it make us know say we be one people and we must respect ourselves, we must defend ourselves. That's how me now. Today now, I feel plus say I feel defend Igbo man. Igbo man is my brother. We are living together. It's only Mazuda the Kano that teach me those things. Other people that talk there, those people, they are the people that destroy Igbo people land. Those people that make Biafra not to come that Juno Jukuta is those people. Those people we don't want there. If they like, they recruit anybody you want to recruit. We will be here telling our people that the name, by the time we through with these people, we will find better name to give them. Anywhere they sit there, no, you cannot buy land here. We cannot even rent land for you to even stay. No, you are not welcome. You can even betray our people. You can even kill our people self. The way even Fulani is even good self. Fulani is even good. Fulani said they are even trying to maneuver. They are trying to make sure they have where they stay there, or they want to pack their load. Sometimes they take load to various places. They will build kiosk. You cannot even see where to build kiosk. We don't want. You cannot see where to build kiosk. We not will give you where you even build kiosk self. Because anything where you build for our land is a terrorist this thing. Is a terrorist attack. Because we are going to be telling our people. With that time, if you say una don't pay una support to our leader Mazuna Dikado, una not go call that man where they talk there. We don't know him. Mona call am make join enter house, make go find one work they do. Make join enter house. Even if they pay money na normal, make chop carry that money go because may take a problem not dey. We welcome am. May stop that thing wey they do there. Make join enter house. E not be if you be say e not be deputy. No, we no want am. Na only Madina Luka na be leader. Na only Madina Luka na be leader for everything. Only Madina Luka na be leader. Anybody that come outside. Igodo children, I'm telling you people, I know that the Igbo people have, we have other leaders because even inside this IPOB, they even have the people, they even create a people that they create people that even so shall pass. This one is the good. Is this one we are even be looking for? That one we don't want because our leader don't teach us that one. Our leader don't even say that it is you that even we need pass. No. He don't teach us that one. Because we don't want to leave Nigeria and enter Nigeria again because as we are building this nation, we are building it. We are telling our people this how it is. Everybody is equal. Nobody, only anybody that can tell us you are going wrong, do it like this. Moses Mazuna Nikalo, all those individual people that want to hijack it, that want to be using people's head, do it like this. Tomorrow they will go and meet the person that you say you do it like this. That it will be friend. No, we don't want. We know these people. We will banish these people coming for our land. We are seeing all of you. We are save all your video. We know what to say every time. We are going to banish you in our land, in Biafra land. We will banish you. We die if the time reach. We will teach you a lesson one after the other because we don't wake up. Because wetin happen Judo Ojuku war, e no go happen for this time now. No killing, nobody will kill anybody. They don't know. We dey wake up. We don't. The only person who will kill that time na only Oba Benin because we'll make am useless first. If we don't make am useless, by the time you don't know the time we take die because wetin dey give am power, we don't take am for your hand. It's a mad person. So my people, from Migodo youth, don't be afraid, be vigilant because NSAC protest they call now. Anybody will die for that NSAC protest. Now Oba Benin kill that person. Any boy, any youth, Mona help me share this broadcast. Any youth will die for NSAC protest. Oba Benin, that criminal alaye, na he kill am. If Okada man jam caterpillar, he just jam am. Na Oba Benin kill am because we don't tell the European Union and the international community anything that happen in that place. We are going to hold Oba Benin responsible. Anybody that get that, even though say you kick stone, you just kick stone, you fall. It's Oba Benin may not cause that problem for your body. Is the problem until he leave our land, he leave that place. Before we'll give him, he can never have peace, and we'll make sure say we make her useless. Any man, any woman, wey get accident or you die sick, you dey sick, anything they do you, na Oba Benin kill you, nobody kill you. You get accident, go to jam you, caterpillar, you go jack caterpillar. Na Oba Benin, if this EndSARS process start, say by mistake you just fall, you fail. Na Oba Benin cause am, na he just cause those things, till pack e low, go where for come. We don't want things. It's a miscreant. It's a bastard in our land. We don't need him. And it's not welcome in our land. And it can never be welcome. And if you are not happy here, I know, you know this place, you cannot be happy. You cannot be happy because we deal with Oba Benin. He's a bastard. We don't know him. He's a Oba Benin. Let me tell you, Oba Benin Salalaye. You individual youth, you have been parading yourself. Oba una be foolish people. No one say una be foolish people. Oba Benin Alaye. We know so Oba Benin Salalaye man. Alaye have a strategy to maneuver to make it well, to bring those various things to deceive una say na so it become for it. Like us, you know those things they look and we just look and say they na foolish man, just the fool himself. That's why we tell our youth now. SARS protest in the console. As in the console, be vigilant. Oba Benin don recruit native doctor. Anybody when you say we wear OPC uniform, it's a native doctor. Now he wear police uniform. Now native doctor. Anything when you say wear, it's a native doctor. Now native doctor. Oba Benin don recruit the whole native doctor. But the one wey dey Yoruba land o. Both the one way there Ile-Ife, both the one way there everywhere. He don't recruit all of them because Oba Benin is a mad person, he's a madman. He's not welcome in our land. He can never be welcome in our land, and we don't know him. We don't know him. He's not welcome. Any individual people will be say you dey support Oba Benin. By the time Oba Benin will through with you, your name will be wiped up in this planet Earth. We don't want these people in our land. Hence, I put they come. If they shoot guns, Oba Benin, if anybody die, he just fall die or he just faint. The Oba Benin kill that person, and we are going to be writing it down. Any soul that lost that day, because Oba Benin, all the old native doctor, only we never go and only Isha land, he never go recruit because all those Isha native doctor, many of them they fly self, the first fly go in place there. If they fly, they say na another attack now they plan. They don't agree, they don't support her. He know what he will feel, he know what those are capable to do. Now all those 11 native doctor where they call social media, they carry those their various things they put for social media, dustbin. They will put them on social media. They'll tell our you say is this thing that can make you to be safe. It's lie. It's not helping nobody. It cannot help you too. Don't be deceived. Don't let that man deceive you. That man is deceiving you people. You don't know. That is don't help that man deceiving you people. So our people need to remove their mentality in Oba Benin, whatever is doing there, because it's a mad person. Because when we deal with the Yoruba people, we deal with the Oba Benin. And our Igbo Biafra will still, if una they talk of presidency, una don't see that, as we deal with that Oba Benin, that's what we'll sit there they deal with una. We not go joke with una because we will give individual their name because Oba Benin is an animal in our land. We don't know him. He's not welcome in our land, and he can never be welcome. He's not welcome for this our generation of Igodomi. So when we tell una say, don't let anybody deceive you. Say na one juju one can help you, or maybe you can carry water, can't take back yourself, maybe you can't do water. It is a lie. Those things there is just brainwash. Believe yourself, for God, these people. No, they don't do anything. Hello? Huh? Okay. My people are the come. Because all these people, they have an agenda. Oba Benin have an agenda because we are going to deal with him. We don't joke with our generation.
Irigodo. Igodo wa pagbewowe o ekenuwa se ekenuwa rame ona iye na isi anoru pa otun ela so kokabo enonya egelegwetwe o wagimani bidu ya fefe mani bigodo wagimari opagbe ni makobo kugbe eti wume o azowu ki o osowu ki o mabebo ki o eti rame o eti rume o eti ezo me o eti oke me o eti uweze keke no winameti ya fe wagimaya kwekugbe o ni maya kwe oba ipagari fe ona ekine erere dovere no pe ve era na tie oba ewape ona ekinodo ni mami wigodo mana kwefo mana wi magwa no wari koka ogisi koka ilikoka na be we hundano wi agwa no wari ebura ene uhe na ngiti ife ivi mbana ya fefe ivi oromia ya fio oromia nára òbí Odùduwà lórí Yorùbá ìkáládéra ọ̀máfí Odùduwà rọ̀pá o ìkáládéra wú ànábẹ̀rẹ̀ jẹ́ èkénàtìẹ̀ wúhọ̀tàn wàsíwà níbẹ̀dẹ̀ náà ìkíwìrẹ́ra igbóe jẹ́ èkénàhẹ́ ìkáládéra jì ẹ̀rẹ́nẹ̀ ògìsó òdẹ́ nára gbó ẹ̀rẹ́niwẹ̀ wákèmùẹ̀ ọbílẹ̀ ìfẹ̀rẹ̀ ọbí Yorùbá rẹ̀ ìwádìí ògìsó yàkìẹ̀ ògì àmìẹ̀ o ìyẹ́ gbògì àmìẹ̀ sọpẹ́dọ́ tàmùwà ìmátànà rẹ̀ rò wẹ́ ògì ẹ̀yìn màmìẹ̀ òtẹ́ gòdòmígòdò màámi ọba wọ̀ o ẹ̀rẹ̀ sẹ́niá ni màá níbi gòdò yáfẹ́ ráyà pàgbé ni màá zójà yàgbìnìgbìnà kùgbé ìrímà ẹ̀yìn àgbélé yàrá ìgbìlẹ̀ rímà nẹ̀wọ́ pa ìyẹ̀dọ̀wẹ̀ èsìkìrìkọ̀tì yàhìn òwàlẹ̀lẹ̀lẹ̀ náà ṣe òwádòmí ẹwẹ́ mọ̀ ní àgbélẹ̀wọ́ pa àná èsìkìrìkọ̀tì rẹ̀ rọ̀pa o ọba nọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀nà rẹ̀ ọba ìhẹ́nẹ́dẹ́ lọ́jẹ́ ẹwà ìyàrá òfin ọ̀wé kẹ́nàrírí náà mìírí gòdòmígòdò ní ara gbéliya ní ara sàlìyà ọ̀wẹ́ rúdà wẹ́ òhánwúyẹ̀ ní àdókúnyẹ̀ àrí ẹwẹ́rí ẹrúdúnyẹ̀ rẹ̀ lọ́mà gbànà ní ẹ̀yí mà níjọ́ mọ́ màládùlájì àrẹ̀dẹ̀nẹ́ náà wà láwọ́wọ́ ìmáyáfẹ́ nọ̀rírọ̀ pásápọ́bá ìyíṣẹ́ mọ́yáfẹ́ nọ́bí ọmọ lè gbà yúdù wà láwọ́wọ́ olùwàdọ́ lè rí wájì sẹ́ ìwà ẹ̀gẹ́ ọba ríjì rí OPC àgbòlè rí ẹ̀ ọpásápọ́bá wà lẹ́rẹ̀ láti ẹ̀yà ìkọ́tì èmi náà sí ẹ̀nà náà gbélé rí ọpásápọ́bá ọ̀ ẹ̀wẹ́ ìrí gòdòmígòdò ẹ̀ yáre o àbíbí ekórí ọmọ yáfẹ́fẹ́ ní dógbówáyẹ̀ dó ní bówáyẹ̀ ọpásápọ́bá ìríyàn ọbílẹ̀ ìbílẹ̀ gbọ̀wọ́ wà o wàdúrẹ́ ìlọrí ìwúná rìn á òtọ̀ yá fẹ́fẹ́ almost 15 acres ìyẹn wọ́n ṣómúlẹ̀ ìyẹn náà dòmú o ìyẹn náà mú ìyá fẹ́fẹ́ èrí mẹ́rin mẹ́kẹ̀dá náà mú gbó ètí mẹ́rin mẹ́kẹ̀dá náà gbérí mẹ́rin mẹ́kẹ̀dá náà mú gbó èmọ́ ìyànirẹ́gbẹ̀gbọ́ ẹgbẹ́ yíyàn ní ẹ̀yà ìwà ẹgẹ́rí yàn fi ṣe yàn wò wá èmọ́ ìyànirẹ́gbẹ̀gbọ́ yàrí só wérí yàn fi ṣe yàn ìwà ẹ̀rọ wà ló dáwé yàn mẹ́kẹ̀ ní àná mú gbó wàláhán wàgbìmọ̀ yáfẹ́ pàgbé ni màá yá kó bọ́ kó gbé ẹ̀tíkẹ́tì ni màá rí mẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ̀tí ebíebi wẹ̀rẹ́ o ẹ̀tí ìdàgbò wẹ̀rẹ́ à ẹ̀tí wẹ̀zẹ̀ wẹ̀rẹ́ à èkéèké ní wọn náà ti wẹ̀ wàláhán ni màá mú yá kó gbé ni màá yá bí ọba ẹ̀dẹ̀bà ẹ̀bẹ̀rọ̀ náà fíọ́là òtí gòdòmígòdò màá ká gẹ́ ẹ̀bọ̀rẹ̀ gòdò máa yẹ tí ẹ̀bọ̀ náà wá màá wẹ̀mí dáwẹ̀rẹ̀ máa yẹ kẹ́rẹ́kẹ́rẹ́ àríṣímà bí wọ́n ti ẹ̀bọ̀ mẹ́yàwó ẹ̀ ọ́ máa rọ àwẹ́ à ọ̀mọ́ra rọ̀má èmi èsì yé nọ ihe nọ wẹ́wẹ́ àwòkọ́ ìgbọ̀nà wẹ̀ sí ọ̀nà ẹ̀rẹ́ ní na èrírí má fi sí má yá tí ẹ̀bọ̀ ní màrẹ́rẹ́ ní ìyáyẹ ní mọ̀ta so máa kẹ̀nà ọba nílé Ifẹ̀ ìyàrẹ́ ìyàwó gúdẹ kíjú ìsàgbọ́dẹ kíjú Ọ̀rọ̀mìlà dẹ kíjú ẹ̀bọ́ ní yàrọ̀pá ayílára dẹ kíjú ẹ̀bọ́ ní yàrọ̀pá ẹ̀ẹ́bí gòdò ẹ̀bẹ́ ìrọ̀nọ́bàrọ̀ bìíní ìfíọ́ra dé ẹ̀tọ́tẹ́ gòdò náà lọ́yàgbọ̀ ìrí gòdò yàkùá wàláhọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀rọ̀mọ̀ ní ibi ẹ̀mọ́ wàrẹ̀mọ́ wàrẹ̀gbàlúdù wàrẹ̀mẹ́nà mọ́láti àrẹ̀mẹ́ náà wà kú ẹwà sẹ́dẹ̀ mẹ́sẹ̀jì rẹ̀ náà òrìn ní pé náà wà sẹ́dẹ̀ kíkọ́ ẹ̀kì yáfẹ́ ẹnu wà yárí ọ̀rẹ́ o ọba àgàfíà gbọ́ rẹ̀ rò ọyìnbíẹ̀ etí ọ̀yà zèlógè yẹ rò ọ̀rà ìzèlógè yẹ rò èlógè kàfìmí ni wẹ̀yẹ wà rẹ̀ rò láti ọwà kẹ̀rọ̀rẹ́ gbìsóra dé àákẹ́ra tí ẹ̀rọ ní ọwà ọba nọ̀rọ̀ náà dé ẹnẹdẹ nọ̀sí ẹ̀mú ẹ̀wúwẹ̀gbà ọ̀rírí ẹ̀ ọ̀tí ẹ̀rárí ẹ̀rọ wà ọ̀dẹ̀ yẹ fi ọba ló sà ọba náà sà yí ọba ó sà rúdáwé máa ń ọba ló tẹ̀ ìgòdò oge mami ẹ̀rí gòdò ànẹ ajínàjínà máa lè tiẹ̀ ají òsà wàyáfẹ́ wàfíà wẹ̀rẹ̀ òsà ìwọ̀n lílẹ̀kẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ mi yàrá dé lọ́nà bá rí ọmọ wàá jẹ́rí wọn ní nàṣó ní ọwẹ́ wàá òfin àmẹ́ ọ̀fọ̀ ọ̀fọ̀ náà ọ̀fọ̀ ní tẹ wọ̀nyí tẹ ìta ò wàá àwìvà wọ̀ẹ́fà ìvàlámà wàá lámà àlàní gèdè wọ̀nyí gèdè ìgédà sàbọ̀ wàá sàbọ̀ sàbẹ̀ gbà wọ́ẹ́gbà wọ́rẹ́nẹ̀ wọ́rẹ́nẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́nà sà wàdẹ́rẹ́ ẹ̀nìyà osani ọ̀nà bá rí àwọn ọ̀nà rí ọ̀nà gbọ̀n ẹ̀gẹ̀nà máa yà sí kí lọ ṣe ọ̀nà wọn fi àní ọ̀nà wọn fún nira wọ̀ pa ìkẹwọ̀ nìyẹn yẹn osani ẹ̀yàdó yàkúndà ẹ̀yàdó yàkìyẹn ajínàjìmà ní màgá ajínàjìmà ògì àti ẹ̀ o ẹ̀rẹ̀nẹ́dẹ̀ ọkọ̀ gìsó ògì àti ẹ̀ zẹ́rẹ̀ ògìsó nàti ògìsó ìgòdò èmi èsì náà wùjì rí gòdò ní gòdò àwọn èmi èsì náà wùjì rí du àwọn èyí rí du náà kàwé ẹ̀ o ó bìà náà ogie na to wa nyime na ogie no riso eri title ni jare o ogie ro pa ma itiki sore so ma we to we na ogie no riso ruda we aji no jima na able to creator ogie ma la ti ne igodo n'igodo di owere no ga anyi le ge ni na ga anyi le na ge ogie no riso ana do mweta to nya ga ti ogi so ri ogi amiere ya re o ele ogi amiere na ta ge ni ari mi ogi le ari mi ba le o te godo ogi amiere eri ni mi ya re o wa la wa di oba na doji ma ki to no gbe ri wa le gi ibi ilé ìbínú ilé Ifẹ̀ wa gi ajima ki to no gbe ri ibi ko ri omo ya fe emo ya no ro tesan ibi godo ko wa se ke wa ra me wa ro do de gama odoa wa ro toro oboa wa ro to zoa ekeke no wa je ibi godo ma ya fe ki o ibi du ma ya ki ya se gbe ti ma ro te gbo eso odo ibi du ya ki wa la ho wa gi ma ya pagbe ni ma ko bo ku gbe ni ma ya ko oba na ra ri ilé Ifẹ̀ nere gi mo ma to ki e na me ri ma mi ki na ra nu gbo nere gi ma gbe ni ma wa nere ga ti yan to ko secret court ni avie bo ya fe be go ya fe ni avio ki fere ni ya ko le ya kia iya ke dore ma ge bo ye ire na iya e bo panya yi ni ya shun ya mure ibi godo ibi fe oji mu ya mu ibi oji mu ya mu bo panya ire ni ma la wo ni ma ku e bo panya yi ni ya ga ri fe wa ga dore ni ya e no ke no wa ra o na ki ihu godo ya fe no ri koloko no biero wa he no se ni na bia ruda we okun ni na la ti olokun ni owo ke odudu wa no ti o ra no ugbe bo ma bie ona jo ohu ona bi àwọn gbo adi ai ona ya ki ese ni ati
my people, see this audio record is so I want to talk something for instance. So we need to tell our Igbo Biafra, because when we tell una say Oba Benin not be our land if for come, we don't know how una suppose they understand us. So wetin we dey tell una say na true, because Oba Benin, mona go check the video. He say na he get the land reach up weka mo na dey get am o. Mo na nothing say because he dey control those people wey he put for there. He dey control all of them, because if una trauma go give all those one now see am say they control them, because we know say no be our land if for come. He just alaye level take dey control those people for that place, because he dey talk and say he no get land for anywhere. We don't know where for come. He not welcome in our land, and he can never welcome any day, anytime. It can never be welcome. So more leave that one aside. So our people, our youth from Migodo land. So this time now, I need to be vigilant. Don't waste time, because Oba Benin don't get enough recruit OPC again. Native doctor, all the old native doctor who you see say they that land, all of them they be police, not be even OPC. I know they call them OPC. They just give that name. The uniform where they wear, na police uniform that they wear. Not be OPC. OPC not get their uniform. Na police uniform that they wear. They don't they wear OPC uniform. Now Obasanjo bring those things come outside. Any police when you say wear uniform is a native doctor. He not go training. He not go anywhere. Nigeria government not recognize her. Una fit just beat her, collect the uniform. Una fit even kill herself. Law not there, because the Nigerian law not there again. No, the law not guide the police. It not guide you. Everybody they live 50-50. Anything can just happen, because na jungle justice now it can't be now. Anything can just happen. No law there. Everybody need to defend themselves. Before person kill you, kill am first. Don't go wait for another time. Say Jesus Christ will come help now. The way about Benin take deceive many of them. Say now I be God when I won't come help them. Mona not wait there. Mona defend yourself, because this answer protest wey dey wey come so. Oba Benin get this terrorist organization. If you see say that day he pack the come outside. You people need to see prepare. If na wood you see, carry anything where you see, carry for whole to defend yourself, because Oba Benin get the terrorist organization. That's why they tag am now. Anybody will die. When anything just happen to anybody, say na accident, he just kill, and Oba Benin kill that person. And from today go, anybody that die in that land is Oba Benin killer. The Yoruba people. The Yoruba people, they have been killing our people, because we don't joke with Yoruba people, because we don't even know what these people are fighting for. They don't know what they are fighting for. We don't know them. They are not welcome in our land. And they can never be welcome. If now this process, Yoruba say they want Malova, maybe if presidency the Igbo Biafra come say they na presidency na they wan come fight for say they no come join us for this struggle, say they wan come use this Biafra struggle take maneuver. We are going to give the Yoruba people name, better name. We'll give the Igbo the name wey be say they no go forget for their life. Na only Mazi Nnamdi Kanu we no go include for that name o. We no go include that for that name. Even if the rest track cause he join them, na better name will they give them? Will they see them? Will they run? Will they see them? Will say if you see these people run o, no wait o, he go kill you if he betrayed you. If he even sell you now, if you as you did there so. He go kill you, he go betray you. He's not a good person. Now wetin we come to teach our people that time, because we want to restore our nation. We want to restore our nation Biafra. We not be Nigeria. We not dey fight for presidency. We don't know wetin be Nigeria. We don't know wetin be presidency. Anybody wey dey fight presidency, may take it go, make carry go in land, make go dey do am for there. We know they welcome those things in our land. It's not those various people that say they are presidency. They are fighting for Biafra. Another Biafra is opening. They want to open another Biafra in their whatever they are doing there. We don't know where these people for come. Well, they will not include them. Most of them, if you go see their head, they are not from. Most of them, they not be Igbo. Most of them, they are from Gambia. They all mix them together during the war. We don't know. They don't know. Kojoko don't know Bihu again because they don't know anybody to trust again. You don't know Bihu. That's the way that they do our leader now, because our leader, you don't trust anybody. Sir, nobody. You don't trust anybody again as it did now. Everybody is a suspect. Now is your day. That's why we stand for am. Since everybody done a suspect for a eye. So the election will restore. If you do fuck up, we'll bring you out. Now hagi, we just argue kill you. We not joke with the Igbo people. We just argue. You not do maneuver. If you do maneuver, Boko Haram they learn because our terrorist organization will go open now legalize. Not even European. Nobody will come. We'll tell them say no rescue. We not kill anybody. We not the kill. We not kill. We just make life miserable. The way we make life miserable, the one who not here will go tell who don't here. Well, maybe you say you be Nigeria. We'll tell you say pack your load and go to the wherever you came for. If you are for Upper River, Niger Delta, whatever they are doing there, go and live with them. Those people, they are Nigeria people. They want to spoil our land again. We don't want them anymore in our land. They are not welcome. They should take whatever they are doing there to wherever they are planning. If you did there, individual people, maybe they don't tell you say may they use this struggle. We know the joke. We dey vigilant. We know the that's what me there. So I not get leader. Nobody. I know those things you they say they do command that. Those things are just I just they look those people there. Some people I just they look at the animal. People we know they control person. Goat. Like now they might need that to tell me what thing they do. If you even call me goat, I will respect them well. I will bow down for. But if you are there, they say you have to do it. You don't tell me anything. You go and call your family. Mona dey round table. Tell them say una want make una country for una parlor. But for this Biafra struggle, e no dey like that. If you want do your control, call your family. Mona buy drink, buy mushroom, make them put for part. Tell them say na be country, na be one country. But for this, we now only person wey dey respect. Now they Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Anybody, any individual will come outside, he will talk say na so it can't be the way for the first time you not welcome here. We not you cannot come here make you dey happy. You not feel happy because our people don't suffer well, our people don't die well. Even for this struggle, many things don't happen. Many of our Igbo Biafra they don't die well because we are not still happy. We cannot be happy that they are dying every day. We be say they want to one person want to use maneuver, and you see something want to happen. You will not say that you want the thing to happen first. If the thing don't happen, it don't happen. No, we fellow say na so it be. We don't first say the thing will come talk to they come be like say you don't know the thing before. The thing will come be surprised to the rest people. No. Before it happen, we'll come outside. We'll tell our people say it won't happen before it will happen. Not be say it don't happen pass feeling. Don't keep people feeling. Don't betray people feeling say they defend people for that place. Or you say you dey talk they make you dey ground. Whose ground you dey? You dey ground. Nigeria government never kill you since. What are you dey ground? Whose ground? Don't you not dey ground? You are working with Nigeria government. We have to be telling ourselves the truth. If you are not working, you are among the people that be killing our Igbo Biafra because nobody is happy when someone is die in the struggle. Nobody is happy. We are not still happy. That's why if they attack Igbo people, we are not happy, because Igbo people don't take us say we dey happy, say we dey attack una, we dey tell una because now person friend dey tell person friend say man dey smell. That's why we dey tell una. Because at the end of the day, if it be people wey be say they from dem come turn and say una make mistake that time because we no want that one make it happen. As e just take on, we tell una because we be one people, we don't want the mistake of Ojukwu make it happen again. We don't come to say the Igbo people not good. No, they're good. We will we not make a single Mazuna Kano art for this struggle. Not anyone with a single art. Any other people, many of them don't come betray them. They will come, they will betray them. It's still there, it's still stand. That's why I say may not come and may not break up. May just need those people where they make noise there. May they continue to be they make noise. May they campaign for 2023. 2023 will be saying before that day reach, they will die self. Before that 2023 said, they not will live to see even see the 2023. That's why we tell our Godomigo youth be vigilant. Oba Benin have terrorist attack against our people. He get another attack now where Oba Benin the plan now. This attack now the group of those native doctors. He just plan there. Those juju, he do juju for them. But those juju, he not they work. Juju what he do for them, not they work. Oh, not work. Mona not that they. If you see they tell something for body, you know those things not they work. You know those things. Mona ask them. May they ask that alaye man. Why not tie those red and white cloth for a gate in front of a gate? May put the old fence come up for there. May destroy fence where they there. May put that red and white cloth. May use a tape fence around. May open the door. May not they lock the door. May not do iron door self. May just open the door down. So that we understand. We will really believe say that red and white cloth they work. But now it's not working. Those people that come outside, maybe they carry cutlass. They are terrorists. Oba Benin have the old terrorists. The way Boko Haram doing their own that place. He have terrorist organization. We are telling our Igbo Biafra, anybody that die in our land is Oba Benin key. It's not a secret call. Oba Benin have terrorist organization. He is the one that support those terrorists. He buy the cutlass and gun. He buy those various things. So that they'll use until they kill our youth. They'll go drop their dead body for up and say, na secret call the fight. It's not a secret call. It's the help of the Yoruba. It's the Yoruba that have OPC. Even the Omoteku, the Yoruba people open. Omoteku won't join themselves to come and kill our people. That's why, sorry my people, the Omoteku, they don't help Yoruba people. Omoteku, you know, if you defend Yoruba again, now they just carry that Omoteku, just doing fancy. The pattern, just carry uniform, just wear them, and they just wear the just clothes. They just, Fulani will just come outside, they just threaten them, they just fuck up, we are going to deal with you. They just quickly enter inside, they don't do anything. Those people, those people, they don't do anything. Yoruba, they are just joking with their life, but we not joke with them. We are going to make sure we deal with them. Because Fulani now Fulani get their land. They don't know what they fight for. If they want to fight, they first go take their first land before one person come the point hand. Now there for come, he come for where he will not belong to them. Because they never call their brother now wetin they fight for, whether they fight for kingship or this one I forget something. This one are for those individual people. That man where they call that man where they call Ogiamien. Now that man, I beg you, we need to call you Ogiamien. If Ogiamien person dey here, Mona let me share this video, give her. That man is not welcome. That man is a Gambia man. That man, we know they fight for you. Nobody, anybody where they fight for you, we don't want that for Igodomigodo land. Anybody that come outside that campaign for Ogiamien is not welcome. Any king, you don't welcome. The only thing we can use to help Ogiamien, we can buy a tractor or cutlass, may go far, go work, may go make far, so that we contribute to the economy of the Igodomigodo children. Because Oba Benin, we are going to drive him. We don't know, we will not let him to stay. But Ogiamien, we can buy cutlass and tractor for you. Anybody is campaigning for you, I will tell you, you people don't know what you are doing. You are just joking with your life. If you want to do your whatever you are doing there, call your family. Don't they come outside. You go call. So what are you people fighting for? What are you people fighting for, Ogiamien? I'm asking you. This message is for Ogiamien and Oba Benin. What are you people fighting for? Me not know what you are they fight. Una never carry war go make Gambia or just other African country. Mona go fight them. No, una no they carry war go make them. Una go just come outside. Just that man go just wear skirt. Hey, no, na come. Una they carry the treatment. Nobody we know. Una not welcome. No, Ogiamien Oba una rubbish people. Una not welcome. Una not they contribute for the economy. Una just they fight for wetin not belong to una. Una just dey fight wey be so una no even know where for start. Una no even know wetin una dey fight for sef. Una no welcome. We no need una. Una no dey do anything. Una just dey fight for una stomach so that una dey get big stomach. Una belle will dey big every day. No, we don't want una. Una don destroy our land. Ogiame and Oba Benin. Una don destroy our land well because we don't want una too. Una too have to be abolished in our land. Both all those traditional, the one way good, those traditional rulers, I know say many of them not good. Because Ogiame, they don't they give us small thing again. Then make they come outside and say, you want to no throne, nobody give anybody throne. In Godomigodo land, nobody give anybody throne there. It's not welcome. We the Godomigodo you, nothing welcome. These people, they don't get company you. My Godomigodo you, don't be fighting for people that don't that don't know you. They don't get company. They don't feel even manufacture. Even this thing where they take the clean here. Where they take the clean here. Ogiame don't know how they take the douane. Oba Benin don't know how they take the douane. What did they just know? Make Ogiame come now. Ogiame if you even sell ring road, you go sell ring road for Fulani. Make they dey there. Make they go they live there. Because he won't do more than that one sell. Because the investigation wey go take come say, opportunity don't come. If you just kill everybody wey dey Godomigodo land, they not welcome. And they can never be welcome. We are going to be fisher them out. Ogiame, you are not welcome. Oba Benin, you are not welcome. Ogiame, we can do you one favor. We can buy you cutlass and tractor. You go and make farm. There is a lot of plot of land. Make farm. May you know the day when come the jam late. The day when the jam late. If you know those things, you know call the wear skirt up and down. The drag wetin you don't know wetin you know my way. Wetin you know the manufacture anything. Wetin you know they even contribute. Una too know they contribute to the progress of our Godomigodo land. No, that's what we don't want to now. Una know they contribute now backward. And una they fight now. The fight una too they fight now. Our youth na till they kill. They go and fight. That one they run up and down. The other one say na treatment. Who take and go court for America. We'll tell America say we don't know these people. They are just fighting themselves. Maybe they get quarrel before. Not be that land. Carry that quarrel, go to another place. We don't want you people. You people have to be abolished. Ogiame and this man, Oba Benin will come for Yoruba land. You people have to be abolished. We will drive you down and Oba Benin, the Yoruba people, they will give you some land. If you want make farm, if you want make plantain farm, because we know say the Yoruba chop amala very well. They can give you land, may you do plantain farm, may you do there, because that land is a Biafra land. We are going to make sure we restore our land, to make sure our people come back to their right senses, not be all those traditional criminals, those people that rape small children. We don't want them they don't spoil our land. What you know about kingship? What you know? What you don't do one? Which one Ogiame don't fight one? Ogiame never will take war to anybody. They just shout. Oba Benin even say even deceive them say he fight war. He see blow light small. Ogiame never will blow any light. This is the funny thing. The one where we say that they shout every day. Oba Benin alaye man. He see Malova. He see blow light small. He say that's so he fight British. That's so British can't help am. That's so he constantly pack those dustbin wey put for there come. He even see talk small thing. But Ogiame no even say anything wey he talk, because that kind of person cannot help us. He don't contribute in our economy. He cannot even defend us. As they even dey fight this struggle, so Ogiame no even want more need freedom. So if you be individual wey dey there, you are fighting for Ogiame. You have been saying it. This now we have Ogiame here. No, it not they exist again now. It's abolished. We will make sure say these people, we deal with them. We don't want them. They don't contribute anything. They're not welcome for our land. They don't destroy our land. These two people, Oba Ogiame, they're not welcome. We are going to throw these two people out. And mostly that Ogiame, we are going to deal with you mercilessly. Not Oba Benin is a mad person. He's a madman. We know him. We know we don't handle that one case, because we are going to make sure we will not run. We will make sure say they useless before we pack it things come off our land. Because Ogiame, you have been parading yourself that you are the Godomigodo leader. Who gave you a leader? What are you doing to be a leader? Who we don't know you? Abeg, don't be parading yourself. Don't do this thing. Don't try it next time. Any individual where they come outside is campaigning for Ogiame, don't try it. Don't put our people in danger. Don't put our youth in a mental slavery again. We don't want it again. We want our youth to be free. You have freedom of speech. Anybody that do something, bring it out. Anybody, this one will be time of say Jesus Christ tell you slap you this one, bring another ear, you slap. Before the person slap you, slap her back. Jesus Christ will support you. You know you do the right thing for yourself. So don't let anybody deceive you that say leave this one. Is the way they read Bible, is the way the Ogiame say read those things. manufacture those things come outside. We know those people. The only ancestor we will get for our land, they will wake up at the end of the day. They will defend our land. Waiting will they forbid for our land. Those things will come back again because now they don't forbid anything. Either they forbid something, they come outside, they parade, they say he get treatment to now so because he not they forbid anything because if for the fear self for if to come outside say nah it won't be this thing whether whatever you want to do there, no, it's not welcome. You're not welcome. The only thing we promise Ogiame, we can even promise you, we know maybe you are from Ijo or you are from Urobo because you are not from our land. You are just fighting. Those group of people who in the path follow body, don't be deceiving yourself. We are going to deal with you, Ogiame. We are going to make sure that you will pay dearly for the atrocity where you did brainwash, where you did brainwash our people, you did deceive our people on a daily basis. As you deceive our people, we will make sure say we will deal with you, not be say we don't joke with you. Forget say you from our land. We know you are not welcome because you don't do the right thing. We cannot tell you say you are a good person. No, you are not doing the right thing for our people. When we are saying we need freedom, Ogiame is telling us no, it's a treatment. Treatment, they have treatment there. We not there where anybody give you a treatment. We not there. We not nobody sign any agreement with you people. With the youth of Igodomigodo, your people are not welcome, and you can never be welcome any day in Biafra land. All of you have to be abolished. We have to drive you people to go to where you came from. They don't practice those things. Don't those videos. That's what Gavin will do now. We will come now. Maybe no, we'll go Yoruba again now. We will go Indian. We'll go carry Indian so to come our land. Say now that one be Jesus Christ. If you even say now he be the savior of our people, that's why we don't want them. We not all these people, my people. If they come, now different strategy they take they come. They just say Jesus Christ is come, his land. He's not come. He come the lie. They'll just deceive our people, brainwash our people, say, now so, and people call they fight themselves because he go worse past that madman we call by, we worse past her. That's why we will abolish all of them. We will abolish her. We don't need, Ogiame, you have to be very careful, anything what they do, Ogiame, you have to be very careful because people where they fight for freedom, you never even know whether people will don't die, people where you are not bad, believe don't kill, you don't know whether they fight for freedom, so you don't know. You have to be very careful because we are going to hold you responsible, Ogiame, because this one did not be threatened. This one I warning to you. You have to be very careful because this struggle to restore our nation is not a struggle of a kinship. No, stop that thing. Just stop that thing. Don't any individual people where they bring come outside. Make them stop that thing. Make them not call the brainwash our people. If you don't tell them waiting make all tell them the history, we know where we for come. We know say we be one people. Now what about Benin do those are people where they go to land where they call it Binu. Brainwash all of them. Say Sha people you must kill them. Okay, I mean it's among of those people. Say you kill Sha people before you kill slave. Okay, I mean who join those people? John Bar Benin talk that word that time and because of food they don't give them money. No food again. No food again. No. Go make farm, man. Go make farm. Don't call the deceive our youth up and down. Go and walk, go brush. A lot of plot there. Oba Benin dey sell land where they suppose make farm. You dey there dey fight for treatment. Do this one. Treatment. We don't say that again. Mona Joy invite Ogiame come here. Don't do that again. You dey commit abomination. Anytime when you take dey come outside, you dey talk say you be treatment and so treatment. Because I dey see one video, one man young wear skirt. He say na treatment o, na treat. They don dey treat something o. They have treatment in court. Who is taking you to court? What are you people taking person to court for? Oba Benin don finish una brain no dey work again. Even Ogiame, Oba Benin don brainwash Ogiame. So tey na court you can go drop am put say make they do woro for that place. They no concern. We dey tell una because we know the strategy of Oba Benin. We understand that it's an alalaye man. And that strategy na they use for that man. If they use that for that one, they tell us say na he be the Ogiame, na he they see for there. Na lie. They don't see any of una. We don't want una. If they find they see una before, but now the people now we get the land, the Godomingodo children, those one who na key, we be say una say na nothing get the land. We na key during the war. We be say we don't know una fight. Una not take war to Gambia. Una not take war to America. Una not take war to European. Una not take war to all war power. Una can't wage the war against our people. The name of say una they fight for our selfish interest. Una they fight to be a king. You cannot be a king in our land. If you want to do king, we'll give you rule, guard rule, where you go the pass, where your left with the march, because you will not say you won't commit atrocity. That's why you drag king. You don't commit those people. Ogiame, we have to be telling ourselves the truth. You don't commit atrocity for our land well, because we are going to hold you responsible. We not joke with you, The war they fight in our land, we are going to hold you responsible. You not defend our people. When we they fight for freedom, they go different platform, they comment. You're not welcome. You're not welcome. You are not welcome. We are going to banish you. We don't need you. You are not welcome. Don't be parading yourself as a king. In Biafra now, all those things that you're up, we are going to be, we are going to, if the good one ready to stay Biafra now, we go buy tractor, buy cutlass for now. More now they go the farm, go work for farm, go and plant something so that people will see food chop. The youth, now we take their destiny to their hand. We will know how to go school, know how to do things. Don't be those people. Don't let these people to brainwash you. Don't let Oba Benin to pack those things to tell you is the way Oba Benin is doing. The Obiame will bring walking stick. It's the treatment and do this one so that people will be dying on daily basis. They don't have hospital. Ask Obiame how many hospitals did you build in our land? Have you contributed anything in the economy of the land? Oba Benin, Oba, that madman that call himself Oba, Alaye. Well, Obaseki is paying him money. Asking which company he don't build for our land. Nothing. They will just come, they will just parade themselves. He not build any company, he not fit do anything. He go just wear skirt, red and white cloth. He will just come outside, they tell our people that so God come. The worst thing, they'll come, they tell us, say, come home now, you come home now. They don't say that there. That's what they tell our people, say, now that place, that home where they say, come home now, now they their power alive because we are telling the international community, these people, they are killer. When we are saying slave trade, these people, they are the slave trade in our land. Those people that you say, don't respect them. They are the ones that sell our ancestors to you people. We cannot blame you people anymore. We will not blame you because they sell us those people sell our ancestors to you people. That's why we will not blame you people. It's the way they do our people now. They put our people in mental slavery. They don't let them know what they are doing anymore. It's the way they are still coming now. The way another Ogiame want to come again. We say want to be Ogiame again. People will be buying down for now, do all manner of rubbish in our land. Come tell us that be second the last Jesus Christ will come. We don't want anybody to save us again. The only save we have now, the only savior we have now, Mazuna, Kalo, and Biafra, finish. Those one you are just fooling yourself. Stop that, Ogiame. Anything that happen in our land, and we are going to be taking. Ogiame, we are going to hold you responsible. We are going to hold you responsible. In Igodomi, we are going to make sure we hold you and not being responsible because when they fight, where we don't know what they fight for. When are going to use our youth till they fight, they use our money till they carry go court, they waste our resources unnecessary. Oba Benin they sell land, they go for one side. You they say they carry you, they carry they go court. They talk of treatment. What are you fighting for? More to come outside public, more to throw blow. More to say when get power, not be na they tear apart about that. They use that they kill our on daily basis. They tell us say na Jesus Christ would have been. So we don't want to now. Not welcome. Or they can never be welcome any day, any night. Anybody will not say they give Ogiame respect. Just withdraw. We are fooling yourself. You fool yourself because we are going to deal with him. We are going to hold Ogiame responsible because Ogiame is a one Nigeria person. We are not one Nigeria, we are Biafra. Ogiame is practicing one Nigeria because he want to take in corruption. The corruption where he did, man. He won't put that for Igodomi now. Ogiame, you are not an Igodomi. We will deny you. We are going to deny you. You are not an Igodomi person. You will deny you because you are not fighting for us. You are not fighting for our interests. You are not. You don't know us. Even me where they talk here now, you don't know me. I don't know any of una. We don't welcome any of una for that place. Don't be deceived about youth on a daily basis. God bless Mazuna Di Carlo. God bless Biafra.